How to fix temporarily blocked on Facebook problem. So before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And on that note, let's get started. So if you're blocked on Facebook, there might be a few reasons. So if you are refrained from posting anything on Facebook, that might be because you have violated some kind of Facebook community guideline, or someone might have reported you or your posts. But if you haven't done anything like that, but you're still blocked temporarily on Facebook, you can report a problem to contact the Facebook help support. So in order to do that, just go to your profile, scroll down, and you can see help and support right here. Then you can tap on report a problem. You just continue with the report, and this will create a report to send to the Facebook support team. And here are many options, so you can choose on pages and describe your issue. For example, I've written here, "Hi team, I'm temporarily blocked from posting. I haven't done anything wrong. Please look into the problem and assist me to fix the problem. Thank you." You can write something similar to this, and if you have a screenshot that says you're blocked, you can add a screenshot from your phone library, and then you just click on send, and this will send the report to the Facebook help and support team, and hopefully they will get back to you in a few days and you will be able to sort out the problem. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.